Everyone thinks the best-selling RAM for MacBook Pro is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Timetech 16GB RAM Kit. The Timetech 16GB kit caught my eye right away, especially at just $37.99. This RAM is tailored for older models, including the MacBook Pro from 2011 and 2012. If you want to upgrade your older Mac without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This kit features DDR3L 1600 MHz memory, which means you can expect a solid performance boost in everyday tasks. It's compatible with a range of devices, including MacBook Pro and iMac models from 2011 to 2015. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 16 GB of RAM, you'll notice a significant drop in lag when multitasking. You can run applications like Photoshop or Final Cut Pro without that frustrating slowdown. Now, some people complained about the PCB color being inconsistent. Here's the thing though, this doesn't affect performance at all. It's just a cosmetic detail that shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially at this price point. This is perfect for you if you have an older Mac and want to boost your performance without a hefty investment. Skip this one if your MacBook is a newer model, as it won't be compatible. For the price, it delivers excellent value. Now, if the lack of color consistency bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. ATEX 16GB RAM Kit. Next up is the ATEX 16GB RAM Kit, priced at $59.41. This option is also designed for early and late 2011 MacBook Pros, and even some iMacs. If you want reliable performance with a good warranty, this one's definitely worth considering. This RAM operates at DDR3 1333 MHz, providing decent speed for most tasks. The key here is its compatibility. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Mac, ensuring that you won't run into any compatibility issues. This matters because a smooth upgrade means you can get back to work faster without worrying about crashes or slowdowns while multitasking. However, some reviews mention that installation can be tricky for those unfamiliar with computer hardware. I'll be real with you. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, you might need a tech-savvy friend to help. But once it's in, you'll appreciate the performance increase. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable RAM upgrade and are okay with a bit of extra help during installation. Skip this one if you're looking for something more plug-and-play. With its lifetime warranty, you're getting solid value for your investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing performance. Product number 3. ATEX 16GB RAM for mid-2012. Here's another ATEX product, this time the 16GB RAM kit for mid-2012 models, priced at $48.81. It's a great choice if you're looking to upgrade your MacBook Pro or iMac from that era. If you want a balance of performance and affordability, this is worth a look. This module runs at DDR3 1600 MHz, which means you can expect faster data transfer and improved multitasking capabilities. The beauty of this RAM is how it fits into various Mac models, from the mid-2012 MacBook Pro to the late 2014 iMac. This matters because with more memory, your Mac can handle more applications at once without hiccups, making it ideal for creative work where you need multiple programs open. On the downside, some users mention minor compatibility issues with specific Mac models. But here's the thing. As long as you double-check your model number against a compatibility list, you should be perfectly fine. It's a small hurdle that doesn't overshadow its performance benefits. This is perfect for you if you're using a mid-2012 Mac and want to extend its lifespan with a boost in speed. Skip this if your model is newer, as it won't fit. For the price, it's a fantastic upgrade. Now, if performance is your main goal, let's check out our next product. Product number 4. ATEX 8GB RAM Kit. The ATEX 8GB RAM Kit is next on our list and comes in at $48.41. This is a great option for older models, including the MacBook Pro from 2008 to 2010. If you're looking to breathe new life into an older machine, this is a solid choice. Running at 1066 MHz, this RAM is not the fastest, but it's perfect for giving your older Mac a much-needed upgrade. It's compatible with a wide range of Mac models, which is beneficial since many people still use these older versions. This is important because even a modest increase in RAM can significantly improve your daily tasks, making your computer feel more responsive. However, some users have reported that the installation instructions aren't very clear. Honestly, this could be a hassle if you're not tech-savvy. But once you get installed, the performance boost is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you have an older Mac that's struggling with speed. Skip this if you prefer a higher speed option for newer models. For the price, it offers good value for older systems. Alright, let's wrap up this list with our final product, which offers a similar performance boost for newer models. Product number 5, ATEC 8GB RAM for mid-2012. Last but not least, we have the ATEC 8GB RAM kit for mid-2012 models, priced at $55.66. This option is also compatible with various iMacs and Mac Minis. If you're looking to upgrade without going all in on 16 gigabytes, this is a great pick. This RAM operates at DDR3 1600 MHz, which is perfect for enhancing your system's performance. The key here is that it offers a nice balance of speed and capacity, ideal if you're running resource-intensive applications or multitasking between several programs. This means you can enjoy a smoother experience without lag, which is a must for productivity. That said, some reviews mention that it might not provide enough memory for heavy users who run multiple demanding applications. Here's the thing. If you mainly use your Mac for basic tasks, it's more than sufficient. But for heavy multitasking, you might want to consider going for a 16 gigabytes option instead. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable upgrade for a mid-2012 Mac without spending too much. Skip this one if you're a power user needing more RAM. It's a solid, budget-friendly option. And there you have it, 5 excellent RAM options for your MacBook Pro, each catering to different needs and budgets. So, to sum it up, we started with the budget-friendly Timetech 16 gigabytes RAM, then moved on to the reliable ATEC options for both older and mid-range Mac models. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all offer good performance boosts. Whether you're looking for a cost-effective upgrade or something a bit more powerful, there's a perfect fit for your MacBook Pro. Happy upgrading!